What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about this week? Well, I'm going to see a live music concert at the Germania Amphitheater at the Circuit of the Americas Raceway here in Austin to see a little band that you may have heard of called King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard. And just for the occasion, I put together a concert carry, a live music show EDC kit. Let's take a look at the content, shall we? Just a quick note, the Germania Amphitheater does have some rules and regulations that you need to follow, including a bag policy. So as you can see, I am not allowed to bring in a large clutch or a duffel bag or even a fanny pack, but I was allowed to bring in a small clutch, bag, or purse. My wife has a clutch, and I have my ZeroFeud compact utility pouch, which means I did not have a problem passing through security. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe. Let's jump into the contents of the kit, shall we? The first thing I'd like to point out is this is attached to my pouch plate system. I'm going to be restocking these on the Pocket Theory store just in time for Black Friday. Make sure to stop by the store and get yours if you want. It does come attached with hook and loop, so you can attach it to your waist without the need of a belt like you would with a hip pack, and then tear it off when you want it, but you can see it's obviously not coming off accidentally. The second thing I would point out is this is the fluorescent green color from ZeroFeud on their compact utility pouch. It is high visibility. I'm going to a concert. The lights are going to be low. I want to make sure I can see my pouch if I drop it or if anything happens. On the outside, I just have a backup credit card. Nothing fancy. The Germania Amphitheater is an all credit card environment. You don't need cash, so I wanted to make sure I had a backup card. Let's jump into the inside of the pouch. I went with the green color to match the theme of the pouch. I will start at the top left. This is just a pill capsule. Inside here, I have some caffeine pills. Yes, that's correct. Nothing fancy, nothing illicit, just some stay awake pills. It's sort of like an energy drink, but it's infinitely more portable. I normally fall asleep on the couch around 8 p.m., so I wanted to make sure I had enough juice to get through the concert. Back here, I have a Rite in Rain notepad. You never know when you're at a show if you might end up meeting somebody and you might need to get an autograph. To that effect, instead of a pen, I opted to go with the green Sharpie Mini, just in case I met somebody and decided I wanted to get an autograph, so those two things go together. Back here, I have some backup cash. A $50 bill always comes in handy, and of course some lens wipes. You want to keep those glasses clean at a concert and make sure you can see the show. Back over here, I've just got some basic first aid. I got a couple Band-Aids, nothing fancy, nothing that's going to blow your mind. And of course, a couple of hand sanitizer wipes. Got to keep the hands clean at a show, especially if you might be eating some snacks. Over here, we got a little pry bar. You never know when those will come in handy. Of course, we've got our Victorinox standard Swiss Army knife with a little lanyard. In here, I've got some Mack's earplugs. You are going to a concert. The last thing you want to do is be overwhelmed if the sound is too loud. So just in case, I have some earplugs in case we want to keep things a little bit quiet. Over here, I've got my Olight i3E EOS keychain flashlight. These things are very bright. If you guys didn't know, Olight sells little clips for these. They're like less than $2. They're awesome. Makes the flashlight even more functional. And then I got you a Bic Mini. Why would you need a Bic Mini? Well, you're going to a concert. You might need to light something on fire. Think about it. And then back here, I do have a mustache comb because you want to keep your mustache looking tidy when you're going to a King Gizzard show. And that is the full contents of the concert kit, my live music show EDC kit. Hopefully this meets all the needs that I have during the show. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to see if all the boxes are checked. Let's go on a little field trip. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. What's going on? I got my EDC live concert kit in effect, my little ZeroFeud pouch, backup credit card up front, and then all the essentials on the inside, baby. We'll see you during the show.
Cross the dance into the treatment, correction of the place from the fire into the scene on the dawn infinity.
Theory, I'm not even gonna lie to you. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard puts on an amazing show. They said they were gonna play a 3-hour marathon. They delivered. I managed to pick myself up a poster. Now, I was allowed to bring a poster tube with me to the Germania Amphitheater, but I didn't even bother with that. I just bought the poster, wrapped it up in the sleeve that they gave me, and then my wife even bought a t-shirt. I just wrapped that up and stuffed that down in the middle. Made it a nice little package. As long as nobody sat down on it or anything crazy, it survived the show just fine. We had a great time at the Germania Amphitheater. King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Thanks for coming with me. Until next time, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.